This is Caravan Salon 2021. This is the 2022 range from Ilusion. How about a 6-meter motorhome with a large rear lounge? Rear lounge is great, of course, when it comes to watching the rain outside, and we have got one here. So up front, no table. At the rear, you've got an enormous table and seats around. Will the table go up? Yes, it will. It's one of these telescopic ones that goes up and down. So also, I suspect you might also want to try making a bed down there at the same time. Look at the amount of space around the table. Quite large. Well, bed up there, and that will come down when you need it. 134 times 200 centimeters. The bed comes down using this, only I haven't got the key. Incidentally, all the keys are the same. Mind you, don't tell anybody I told you that. I really ought to get a key from Lippert Component to make all these beds. Anyway, here we've got a large toilet and bathroom with a very deep what do you call it, shower, and there's me in the mirror. In fact, I want to show you the size of me. I've got a bag on my back, which I wouldn't normally do when I'm in the shower. In fact, I wouldn't normally get in the shower fully dressed in any case. So there we go. Not with a fleece tied around my waist. But it's a pretty large shower for a 6-meter van, 235 centimeters in width. Kitchen is enormous too. So these are some things you can get by sticking the bed up there. Just get all this extra space. That depends what you want. You might want one that looks like this, but if you do want a rear lounge, this is one way of doing it. And bear in mind that it's pretty easy to, well, comparatively easy, I should say, to park. I mean, 6 meters at the end of the day, it's not 7, is it? So I'm always thinking about where I'm going to leave the vehicle. Here, this is inclined at an angle. So, rear lounge, always convenient. It's quite good. So it's a bit odd. Oops, I like these things for storage. You might think it's sort of a bit mixed up, everything here. So we've got the fridge next to the driving seat almost, and sort of the toilet's almost in the kitchen. I mean, it could appear, but I mean, let's face, how else are you going to actually build it at the end of the day? And I think it has been built in a way to give you plenty of space to walk around in. So that's, I think that's a relatively positive thing. Anyway, we'll have a look at another one, which is here. And somewhat similar, not entirely the same, because this one here has got these single beds at the top, which also will come down electronically via this device there. Kitchen is on the different side, and it seems to me, oops, sorry, as though, oh, got a problem here. There you go. You can see it from every angle. It seems to me as though the lounge is even bigger. Toilet here the same. Fridge the same. Storage up here. can't remember if I said the price of this one, 61,500. I'll take you into another one they've got here as well. So 6 meter vans, 6.5, 670, and the largest one is 760. This one here's got a queen bed. It's got a bed in the roof. This is a design which is a bit more standard. XMK 740. This costs 66,500 euros. Oh, it's got quite a nice look to it. Bed in the ceiling and a German layout at the back. Another 6 meter vehicle, 62,500. A more standard type widthwise bed at the back, and toilet the same. Largest table, though somewhat spoiled by having this bed up here as well. And this, I hope this hasn't been stolen by somebody. I hope they've removed this for some other reason. But things go missing at these events. Seven-meter vehicle. With a queen bed. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? This is the thing for 2022, 2 flames, and that is a rather traditional looking, at the same time as looking modern. I think that's a very nice match of the two, although it would be better with a cover. The colours and the light of the Mediterranean. That's what it says. Another 7 meter vehicle here. This one will cost 58,000. Oh, I'm not so certain about this though. It looks a bit, I don't know, it's too light for me. And German layout at the back. And having that thing in the back there, so I like that. It's also a bit old fashioned. But it's got a big kitchen. Another 6 meter vehicle, and you greet with the toilet on entry. You've got this high bed. Good idea having a high bed, in my opinion. Wardrobe. Bed. And let's now oh, got the last one here. This 7 meter XMK 690, and this will be the last vehicle in this tour that we see. Bed up there, German bed at the back with a mirror. Right, so that's this. I wanted to show you 6 meter van with a lounge in the back. This one here is from Ilusion, and thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Germany.